Hello everyone, and welcome to October's Adult DIY Craft. Today, we'll be making paper strip fall art. For your supplies, you will need the following items: a cardstock template, which will either be a cat or a pumpkin, 18 to 20 strips of festive paper, glue or tape, scissors, and a pencil. In the craft kit, we have provided the cardstock template and the paper strips. To start, take your pencil and poke a hole through the center of the template. Then, take your scissors and cut a Y-shaped cut in the center. This will allow you to cut out the inside of the template without ruining the outer white frame. Once you're done cutting out the template, make sure the paper still folds correctly. You'll be folding the cardstock template in half to create your final picture. Take the paper strips and lay them out how you want them displayed on the blank right side of the template. They can go in any order you want. We don't want to glue it just yet, so you can change it and move it around and see what it looks like before it's finished. That way you can make sure that the paper covers the entire template. Before you move the paper strips away, mark where the top strip rests with a pencil. That will be your starting point when we start gluing. Gently move your paper strips off the template and try to keep them in the order that you planned. Then start gluing from the top down. Make sure not to glue too close to the fold, or it may fold incorrectly when you're done and you'll have to start over. You can deal with the leftover paper two ways. The first way you can do is you can trim each slip as you go. The second option is you can trim them all at once. Either way works in the long run, but make sure to glue the ends so everything sticks to the right side of the template. Occasionally fold your paper over to check to make sure that everything looks right. Move the papers around accordingly if you still can. If the glue is already dried, that's why we include a few extra paper slips in your envelope. Finally, glue the inside of the cut template. Then fold it over and press down, making sure that the template sells correctly over the paper strips. If you have a few pieces that are sticking up and didn't get glued, you can correct them now. Once you're done, let it dry. This craft can be done with any color or type of paper, and you can even use washi tape as a replacement for the colorful paper in a pinch. This month, we either have a pumpkin or a cat template to choose from, but our steps apply to both. Once it's done drying, it's all set. Thanks for watching this month's video. Make sure to pick up your craft kit fast. There's limited supply and first come, first serve. Tune in mid-November for our next Take It Home craft.